Hello and welcome to our tutorial on MyPlan. As you can see from here, we have MyPlan, which is a website that the University of Washington has created to better help you navigate the course catalogs and the different courses you can take here. As you can see, it's kind of convoluted as a web page, but it's actually mapped to a separate page altogether. So for instance, what we have here is sort of a mapped version of it, but it shows all the different departments and what schools they fall under. We also have another tab that shows us which campuses we can attend. So if you're in my FIG, you're in the Seattle campus. If you want to go to Bothell or Tacoma, you can also do that. As a member of the UW community, you can choose to take whatever campus classes you want. Then we have this little tab, which shows us a more comprehensive version of the course catalog. You can look this up through UW course catalog in Bing or Google, and it'll show you all the different departments we have. Now going back to MyPlan, we have another section that shows us the courses that we can search by name, whether that be by the actual name itself, such as English 131. And then we also have other options such as like what day we want to take it and what times we want to adjust it to. So for me, I want to take it from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Sorry, 10 p.m. 10 a.m. And then we can choose which days that we want. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then we can have other options that we can look at, such as has prerequisites, closed sections, and other stuff. But we'll be going over this information in another video. And so we have other filters that we can look at, such as what kind of gen ed requirements it fulfills, what quarters it's offered, what level, credit number, but also stuff like learning format. So I'm going to click on classroom, and I'm going to choose what quarter, and now it'll show me all the different sorts of classes that are being offered in autumn quarter of 2020. So for English 131, we would click on that option. Now it brings us to the MyPlan page. It shows us different quiz sections and different lecture sections, and has information related to the course itself, such as what we'll be learning and what other course requirements are there. As you can tell that from our previous page, it shows what sorts of options we want, such as the filter, which you can see. And from there, you might remember it's for autumn 2020. It's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday sections, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And it'll show us all the different options that will help us get there. And so you can tell from here, it's also part of the English/Seattle campus. So the Seattle campus is English department. And then again, we have the filters right there. We can always choose to remove them, but for now, I'm just going to choose a section from here. So, given these different sections, we have information related to each drop-down tab, and we can look at that before we choose the class that we want.